Hello, amazing people, and welcome to Mwakazi Adventures. Our adventures today takes us to Elena. Okay, so I want you to introduce yourself and what you do. Then, guys, will tell you what we are doing on this adventure.
So thank you very much, Mr. Mwakazi. My name is Elena Wakio, actually from Taita, but now based in Nairobi as a sign language interpreter or a sign language coach.
Yes, so she's a sign language coach. I'll leave her number and details on the description box so that you guys who need her services can get in touch with her and you get to use her unique services. Okay, so today our adventure is to learn about sign language. Okay, and the first we'll go through the basics, not the complicated one, not like a sentence. So we'll try to break it down to the usual things that actually we may want to learn, like me, I may want to learn. Okay, so for example, let's start with how are you?
First of all, in sign language, we deal in breaking.
Also, we break them.
Yes, we use broken English. So when you say how are you, you say you how.
Also, you how.
You how. Yes.
So it's you.
You how.
You how.
Yes.
So that is how are you.
How are you?
You
how. Yes. Exactly. Tick.
Now they're supposed to answer what?
If you tell a person or if you ask a person you how, definitely he or she will respond to say I am fine, right? But now in broken English, in KSL, we say fine. Shortly.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay, the finger has to be together or apart? Or?
No, finger has to be together. Then the thumb in the chest.
Touching the chest?
Yes.
Once or several times?
You can do it twice.
Twice. So that is to say
fine.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Any other way of saying fine?
Fine.
So
because this is then this is I, then a.
So this is I, a. So like this.
Fine.
Fine.
Yes.
So
because this is I.
This is
and this
I.
is a.
This is a. So fine. Guys, I think people have anyway. Okay. So my name is.
Now we have to break it. So name
is like this.
Name we say like this.
Name.
Mine. Or in other case of name, we have two signing. Name.
Like this.
Yes. Name or name.
Name.
Mine. Yes. Now your finger spell now. E, that's why we have to start with alphabets.
The alphabet.
Yes.
So it's easier for me to learn the alphabets first. Okay, let me go through the alphabets. So we start with A.
So here we are, guys. This is A.
A.
Yes.
B. C.
D.
D. E. F. G. H. I.
J, you draw it.
J, you draw it. K. Now
here you'll notice K, when you reach to P, it will change and goes down. So not
also
that.
The same as K.
The same as K.
But now for G.
For P.
For P. So P.
You pull it down.
You pull it down.
Not that. And for G, for Q, you pull it down.
This is now Q, you pull it down.
This is G. Q, you pull it down.
You pull it down.
Now those are the difference.
Okay.
So here we are, K.
K.
L.
L.
You have to show the audience. L. M.
That one has to drop down like that.
Because now here you drop M.
Okay. So
Then
M.
M,
Mm-hmm.
N,
N.
pull it down.
That is N now.
Yes, N,
N.
N, show it to people. N,
So N.
N, exactly. O,
O.
now P.
Now P.
Remember K,
Okay.
then drop it down.
So K. Drop it down. So
yes.
that is P.
P, Q,
Q.
R,
R.
S, you draw it.
S. Like this. You draw it.
Yes. T,
T.
U.
U. There's something else we did like this.
It is like this, so then you have to make it down.
Oh, make it down. Oh,
so that it can, you pull it down so that it can be N now.
N. Oh,
now
so like
U.
this is
Yes, I have to show you step by step.
okay.
This is now U.
U.
Then V, open it up.
V.
Then W, add one.
W.
X.
X.
Y.
Y.
And Z, draw it.
And Z.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
we don't clap.
We don't clap.
We celebrate like this.
No.
No removing sound.
Oh.
You be quiet. Assume you're deaf.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go through again from A.
So A,
A.
B,
B.
C,
C.
D,
D.
E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J,
J.
K,
K.
L,
L.
M,
M.
perfect,
M.
perfect, N,
N. N. Oh, now it's
yes,
N.
O,
O.
P,
The K. Then you drop
yes,
P.
Q,
Q. Q.
Q, perfect,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
V,
V.
W,
W.
X,
X.
Y,
Y.
Z.
Z. Wow. Okay, so having known now the basics, let's go to a few things. Yeah. So good morning.
Now I want to sign for you good morning. You always use your right hand.
Right hand.
When signing. Then you pull your right hand up. Then you lower your left hand down. Then you take your right hand. Then you tap twice. Then again that right hand, immediately you pull it down.
You pull it down.
Yeah, you pull it down and you
Down like this.
yes. Yes. So it's good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Good morning. Yes.
Good morning.
Yes.
So good morning. How are you?
Good morning. You how?
Oh.
Yes.
Nice.
Morning.
You how? So guys, she said for sign language you have to, it's broken English. You how? It sounds Chinese. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
My name is
Name.
name.
Mine. Then you start finger spelling like in Jeffrey.
Let's say which one
or
is
Mwakazi.
Let's go
Mwakazi. So name, mine, M, W,
W
A,
A
K,
K
A,
A
Z,
Z
I.
I.
Mwakazi.
Mwakazi.
Yes.
Nice. Good night.
Good night.
good night.
You cross the fingers.
Night.
Yes.
So
Good night.
night. Good morning.
Now, because this is good, you have done good. Very good. Very good.
Very,
Because it's very good.
very good.
Yes.
So
now it's
this-
good morning,
Or good
good night.
night.
Yes.
So good morning, good night.
Yes.
I have to cross.
You have to cross. Good night.
Bye bye.
You can. It has two signs. You can say goodbye or bye. Just waving.
Either wave or
You
good
tap goodbye.
or bye.
Yeah. Just
Nice. Wow. So we have what is more common, like let's go. Let's go.
we go. This is W. We.
We.
Yes. From
Yeah.
left to
Right.
yes.
So
We go.
go.
Yes. Go.
So this
we
go.
go. Because this is G. Go.
This
starts
is
with
G.
Yes.
So starting from here, then you
You
pull.
pull
That is
it.
go.
Go. Yeah.
Nice.
So basically,
We
we
go.
go. Only one.
Or
Yes.
two. Go.
One. Yes.
Okay. Come. Okay. What is so hard in learning sign language?
To me, I can say it's so passionate in me because I used to admire.
How did you? You went into it because you used to admire.
I used to admire and I used to be encouraged. Back in our language, in our tribe, we used to go in our village in Taita. So I probably, when I was young, I saw a man who was totally deaf. By then, I never used to sign. Then that man used to just scare us. Tita, Tita. So I was like, Tita, Tita, what is it? Then I was like, I went and asked my late father. Then he used to tell me, Tita means he's gonna kill you. I'm like, what? How? Then I was like, I need to know this. Because now in sign language, after I have learned, we were never taught Tita, but killing now is this one. So I was like, this is kill. So I was like, I need to know more.
So kill you will be
You know,
this.
kill
It will be.
you.
So it's kill you.
Yeah.
So you don't like reverse it. You kill.
Some they change, some they don't change. Yes.
Okay.
So with me, I got passionate, and I can't say it's I had challenges, no, because when I immediately joined college, I had done very well, and my mom was so amazed because she never used to see that I can be that serious with it. Yeah.
Because to me, what I believe, it's a very, very unique thing to do. Because okay, how many sign languages do I know? Very few. Now, the few that are there, some of them are either working on TV stations, and those are permanent, because actually, unless now each TV station has like two who can be interchanging, because one cannot work all those hours. So apart from now the TV stations, where else do you find like your profession applicable?
To me right now, I'm so privileged to be in schools. I sat down on my own. I told myself I need to work extra or extremely hard for me to be. So I decided to be unique also. I sat down, then I based on myself that I can do a club. Because I understand many people, they dwell in clubs, like there is a swimming club, there's skating. So I came to my senses and I said, why should I not try of sign language? Then I chip in, I see how it's gonna work. Then eventually I got a school. First school of mine is Immaculate. I appreciate so much that school because the father of those father in Catholic, it's a Catholic church. So I went and showed my courageousness that I have to show my work. Then I had chipped in that school. So that's the first one. Then the second school, I'm so happy to be at Nova Pioneer.
Nova Pioneer, that's amazing.
And the third school, I found myself being in PCEA Kamulu, PCA Makadara Kamulu side. Because I understand there is PCA Makadara in Donholm, but me, I'm based in Kamulu.
So not so many schools have sign language as a course.
Yeah.
So is this something that you can go into institutions, into schools and market it? Tell them, guys, when you are coming up with your course breakdown, can you put sign language as, because we might have so many people who are interested in doing sign. It's very unique.
It's very unique.
So meaning you as Elena, you can have so many places. Today you are at Nova, tomorrow you are at a different place. So like you can cut across, right?
Yeah. So with me, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you all guys to give me the platform, because I can do it. I believe in myself that I can do it, and I can show the world that I have a special gift in me to show the people that it's something which it doesn't have a lot of people doing it. Since I was a teacher in preschool of Montessori, then I shifted to be a special need or special teacher coach. Yes, so I'm so privileged. If you guys will give me a platform, I'll work for it and I'll show you the best, because I plan myself as I teach, because I have some notes and I always study them first before going to teach the children or to teach the adults. So give me the chance, please, and I'll show you the way.
Yes. Now for leverage part, because now you see other people need your services. So she's going to start a YouTube channel, and before this video goes up, we'll have started that, and I'll pin her link on the description box so that you guys can go and see and learn, because now when you come to YouTube, people from all over the world will come and learn. Not only are you based in specific schools, you are now teaching globally. Now you are scaling your talent. Okay? So guys, I'll put the link here, and we see you supporting her, subscribing and learning sign language on her platform. So at least you're able to reach someone who is in China, someone who is in Malaysia, someone who is in the USA, without going there physically. Yeah, so those are the opportunities you get from putting yourself out also on YouTube.
Yeah, so I'll be teaching Kenya Sign Language. Saying that, there are so many sign languages. We have ASL, that is American Sign Language. But precisely for myself, the knowledge which I have is for Kenya Sign Language.
So watch out, and I'll pin her link down here. You guys go learn sign language as I am learning. Okay, so until the next video, see you guys. So
Bye.
Check out Elena on her channel. I'll pin it down here. You'll have known the link, you'll have known the name, and tell her that you are coming from Mwakazi Adventures. Okay.
Are you a good student? Did you say bye-bye? Let me see. Let me see. Oh wow, yeah, he tried. So it's goodbye. Goodbye, guys.